Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to show that cosine x is equal to the square root of 1 minus sine x multiplied by 1 plus sine x in the first and the fourth quadrant. So let's begin with an identity which says sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So if sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1, we can make cosine squared x the subject. Therefore, cosine squared x will be equal to 1 minus sine squared x. And 1 minus sine squared x is nothing but difference of 2 squared, because 1 can be written as 1 squared. And 1 squared minus sine squared x can be factorized as 1 minus sine x multiplied by 1 plus sine x. Therefore, to the left hand side, we still have cosine squared x. And to the right hand side, we have 1 minus sine x multiplied by 1 plus sine x. Now let us take the square root of both sides in order to eliminate this power of 2. If you take the square root of cosine squared x, you are going to be left with cos x. And to the right hand side, we have plus or minus the square root of 1 minus sine x multiplied by 1 plus sine x. So we are almost done. But one thing you should remember is that we have our quadrants like this. All trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. And in the second quadrant, only sine ratio is positive. And in the third quadrant, only tan ratio is positive. And in the fourth quadrant, only cosine ratio is positive. So you can see we have cos here, we have tan here, and we have sine here. So our question is asking us to prove this in the first and the fourth quadrant. This is the first and this is the fourth quadrant. So in the first and the fourth quadrant, cosine ratio is all positive. Therefore, we are going to only consider the positive square root. Finally, we say that cos x is equal to the square root of 1 minus sine x multiplied by 1 plus sine x. And if you consider this and what we are given are exactly the same, and hence proved. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.